like rubbing against long legs. I can push away from me and sit way back in.
Shackle hitting?
Nah.
All day. Yeah, a little bit there.
Did it hit?
Yeah, when you tipped over, dude. Keep coming. Keep coming.
You're good, you're good.
You're good. Hey, go ahead and drink another beer.
Tell me what I'm about to go off of.
Go off.
You're right there.
You're right there. 3/4. I got her. Yep, that's about it. I don't know what to say now.
No, but I think my rear end hit or something right there. I think I'll puncture.
Oh, no, something. I was watching drive that and everything. I know it's easier, but
I don't know, man.
go up one.
I don't know if my wheelbase is easier.
Hit it a little bit back and get one tire.
Oh, that is small. It'd have went up that dude if it wasn't flopped over.
Yeah, fuck, dude, I can't even stand up. I'm gonna fall down now.
Look at that tape out there.
Gotta get more than that. Hell, that wasn't bad right there. Do that again. Get one tire on. Problem is, you get spin. Creek goes down. Now turn into. Lot steeper in there, but it's so fucking slick, dude.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Turn into that mountain. Fucking
That's it right there.
You're